there. And before I start, I want to show you this camera that I got. I don't know where I got this from, but wherever I got this from, it is so awesome. It is so cool. So let's open it right now. Okay, so I don't want to rip this thing. So here. So here's the note. Hello, Khalid. Kid. It says, hello, Clitty Plush to Con.
Let me see. Okay. It says extras. Okay. Hello Kitty plush, 2 containers, homemade butter bun squishy, homemade fudge sickle squishy, and your purchase items: a clay slime, which is $2, clear ocean slime, $4, crunchy slime, $3, and the Valentine's Day special, which is $5. And your total came out to $16.50, and I think that was because shipping, but I'll just keep this right here. Okay, so I think you should take the extras out first. Well, I guess that's the extras then.
The squishy. Oh, so here's the first one. It's a squishy.
So that's the homemade butter bun squishy, I believe.
The homemade butter bun squishy. So squishy. Wow. Really looks like a church's bun. A biscuit. So next I'm gonna do the ice cream. It really feels like ice cream. Oh.
Is that the fudge sickle, I believe?
Yes, and they have like a real popsicle. It looks like somebody ate out of it. Okay, next is this big giant Hello Kitty.
Is the plush, the Hello Kitty plush?
The Hello Kitty plush. And what is else?
I guess those are your 2 containers, I believe.
Yes, they are. Here's my 2 containers.
Okay, so go ahead and pull the slime out.
So I'm just gonna stick this back here. Here's the slime. Here's my slime.
Okay, so get the clay slime. I'm pretty sure that is the white one, I believe.
This one?
Yeah, I think. Go ahead and open it.
Okay, I'm just gonna sit these down there so I can just open this. Okay. So white. Wow, it's so pretty.
Do you like the clay slime?
Yeah. So fluffy.
Well, I mean, she kept her promise. The slime is good quality.
Who did?
The person who sent it to you, what was her name? Like, Squishy Slimy Bunny? Something like that.
This is so awesome.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put this back in there because, yeah. That's kind of like my favorite one. So the next one is, what's the next one?
The clear ocean slime, which was $4.
This one?
Yeah, I think.
That's because it's blue. Oh my gosh. I love this one. Oh my gosh, it is so sticky and gooey. Well, you can really hear the noise because the this one you couldn't really hear the noise, can you? Ooh. I like the glitter inside. So cool. I love playing with slime because it is so gooey. And I watched Emma and Ellie and they made a big giant slime. So I'm going to the next slime. And what's the next one?
a crunchy slime.
Here it is. Oh. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh.
You show it up close.
Okay. I will. So here's the blue crunchy slime. Okay, I'm just gonna, poke it because I really want to poke this thing. Oh my gosh, my hands are gooey. This feels so good. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Stretchy. Do you know what this stuff, do you know what this is inside this thing?
I think on her description of it, it said it was like plastic pellets or something like that.
This feels so good because it's gooey.
I think she said it was like the stuff that you put in fish bowls.
Yeah. It's like spitball. I want to keep playing with this, but I have to go to the next one. I can play with this one later. So the next one is the last one, and here's the last one. What is the name?
That was the Valentine's Day special slime, which is limited edition, so I suggest some of you guys check it out.
Yeah, because I really
Wow, that one's really pretty. Come show it. I can just zoom in, whichever one.
This one is pretty. It's really like a Valentine thing. See the glitter.
That one's really pretty.
And it's clear. You can see the glitter. I'm gonna get back here. Oh, here. So pretty. It's like this one. Same. Wow. You can stretch too. They have to stretch it so slow because it will break. So that's the end of this video, and I hope you like my slime package video, and don't forget to comment down below, like, and subscribe. Bye.